Yeah, so this is dope. Let me turn it on. Big, bold screen. Vibrant color. I've never seen that before. At least not personally. I've seen a couple of brands doing it, but this is dope to see in person. Okay, the volts change, the hertz change. Different modes. M2, M3. Okay, that changes the hertz. Okay. I'm not even sure if I know what I'm doing. I'll have to play with this a while. I'm not gonna lie, I like how they got the liners, round shaders, and mags like color coded. And I already have a 7 mag from last night. Opening it up, we're gonna use this. I ain't gonna lie, I'm excited about these, but I'm probably not gonna do, you know what, I ain't gonna say what I'm not gonna do. We're gonna do it. I'm gonna do like a small flower or something, maybe like a lotus flower or something. Why not? That's what we're gonna do. And we're gonna use the skin that came with the kit. We're gonna even test this out on the skin. And I like that their needles came with this. You can scan the QR code and see their, what does it say, their packaging process. Low key, we got this little skin scribe. I might just freehand the whole design today instead of using the printer. Yeah, let's do that. Oh, and it's double-sided. Now thinking about it. I think I'm gonna go like that. And I think I forgot the black. But I got this. I couldn't wait to open it. As soon as I got it, I opened it. All right. I'm scared. This thing is black. I'm so used to drawing on the pie pad. Right now I'm at like 7.2 volts. I'm gonna do shit. But I realized I'm using the wrong needle, guys. I want to use their needle. It's a 7-round liner. That's like my go-to, I ain't gonna lie. So the fact that they had that in their kit is a plus, because they never usually come with a needle this thick. They usually are like 3-round liners and stuff like that. Okay. I love the color coding. Golly, this practice skin is super duper thin. ain't gonna lie, I feel like my camera's still rolling. Does that run out of memory? Man, this thing is like a piece of lunch meat, man. But I will say, I feel like this is a high quality machine to come with the rest of this stuff, even for the price. Like, yeah, whoever idea was to use a black marker, not a good idea. Maybe even blue. Yeah, man, the low quality skins tend to stain. I see a lot of y'all always asking like, how do you get it not to stain? How do you get it not to stain? Or what are you using to clean it? For real, you gotta click the link in my description. I get my skins from Miami Tattoo Supply in Florida. Like I said, go to my description and check them out, because I mean, this is cool. Like I said, I'm not complaining. Like, the machine is A1. I expect everything else to be cheap. So I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of alcohol, see if I could get it more clean. Some of the lines didn't stick at all, but like I said, this thing is like super thin. Like, I'm like coming out on the other side. Like, you can't rip them lines like how you really want. You know what I'm saying? You want to be right up on them. I don't even got my glasses on. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. This thing might be something serious. For sure could maybe add some green in there or something. As a matter of fact, hopefully this doesn't mess up the yellow. I would never do this on skin, but let me try to add some more black. That's that. It's buzzer, but I like this machine.